In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate UGC content completely with AI and completely for free. Now, this is a really powerful method that can get you some amazing viral type clips. It's going to look something like this.
My kid is always falling over and hitting his head, so I was looking for a way to stop that. Then I saw this product on TikTok and OMG, it's a game changer. Just look how it protects him from falling.
Now, this creator here is 100% AI generated. You can spend a lot more time to get it a lot higher quality, but this is just a base example of, the potential with it. And if you incorporate it properly into your edits, it's going to be insane. It's going to save you so much money, and you're going to be able to get your products tested a lot quicker. So let's get right into how we can go ahead and do it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go ahead and actually grab ourselves a TikTok video of somebody talking who is part of our demographic. So if we're selling some kind of baby product, what we want to do is find a mum so that it matches the demographic. To do this, you can go onto TikTok and you can search in the search bar here. When I was looking for videos of mums, I typed in mum talk, I think. And what you'll notice is you're going to see a lot of these popular videos, but then as you scroll down, you should see some more organic looking videos, or basically mums talking to the camera. I believe there's a hashtag mum talk, which you can look for. Let's try this one. And you're going to quickly see some more natural looking videos of people basically talking to the camera, giving mum advice. And this is the type of video we want to go for, as those are going to work the best. Now, when you're looking for these videos, I'll give you a bit of advice. The first thing is you want to have one where their face is clear. So this one is okay, but the problem is she's putting stuff on her lips, her hands going in front of her face, so it's not great. This one is good here. She's looking at the camera, she's not turning her face away too much. She can do it a little bit, it's fine, but this is a pretty good one here, to be honest. So you could go ahead and pick this one. And you also basically just want one where she's talking to the camera, or they're talking to the camera. This here was the base video that I picked. It's just some girl talking about something to do with kids. She's saying something like, oh, I need a day off with my kids. So you can see that our model is actually based on this woman here, but you can see that it is different. The face is different, and this is essential for essentially getting them to talk, that kind of thing. But start with something like this where they're talking into the camera, face on, nothing covering their face, and you don't want them to be moving side to side too much. So once you've gone ahead and found that, you can go ahead and download it. You can use some kind of free downloader online for it. Just try and find one that doesn't have a watermark because it generally looks better. And find one that's HD because that's pretty important. So now that we've done that and we've downloaded it, it's time to go ahead and generate the avatar we're going to be using. There's multiple ways you can generate avatars. You can use Midjourney. There's loads of free tools online. This one that I saw, this is a good free tool. It's called AI Art Generator. And you can put a prompt in here. So portrait of a mum. You can put the age. So portrait of a mum with blonde hair. And I also put mouth closed because I kept getting generated ones where the mouth was open. And it's better if their mouth's closed. So you can go ahead, press retry or generate. And it's going to go ahead and generate an image for you. Now, there will be a queue because it's a free tool for this one specifically, but if you wait in the queue for a few minutes, you can see the wait is going to be 1 minute 30, so it's not too bad. And it's going to go ahead and generate you, an image down here. Again, when we're looking for this, we want to find one where it's just a portrait of the face. We want them to be looking at the camera, mouth closed, neutral position. We don't want their hair to be on their face. We just want it to be kind of a natural photo which can easily be overlaid onto the existing avatar. So once you find one that's good, you can go ahead and download it. And I'll show you the example of the one that I actually downloaded. I just wanted to quickly interrupt the video to let you know we've recently partnered up with Shopify to give you a completely free custom-built Shopify store along with proven winning products. Now you might be thinking, I have no idea how to test and scale those products. Well, we're also giving you a completely free course which details how to scale those products from 0 to 6 figures. Now this is all based upon information from my own stores. I've done 6 and 7 figures with multiple different stores. So it's all proven information, and as I said, it's completely free. So you can go ahead and join it. There's no hidden costs, there's no upsells. It's literally just free value, and it's all thanks to Shopify. So go ahead down below and join it because it's going to be a ton of value. You can get your free store right now. So this here is the face I downloaded to overlay. You can see neutral, looking at the camera, mouth closed. The hair is over the face a tiny bit, but it's fine. It's not like, everywhere. So this is a really good one to go ahead and pick. And it does have the watermark on it at the bottom. That's completely fine, it doesn't matter. But you can go ahead, generate one of those. And obviously if you're generating something in a different niche, just try and stick to your demographic of who you're trying to target, because they're going to resonate with that better. And you can see here it's just generated these. Both of these are not good. Eyes closed in this one, that's bad. And this one, she's looking away. So you want it face on, eyes open, mouth closed. So next up, what we're going to be doing is we need to overlay the face that we've just generated on the original video. There's multiple different tools online that you can do this with. I just found this one called vidq.ai. It's a video face swap. You put the original video in here, you put the target photo, so that's the face, and then you press swap face now, and it's going to go ahead and swap the face. This may take a few minutes to do, but again, this is a free tool that you can go ahead and use, so it's kind of a no-brainer to. Now, if this tool doesn't work, I actually used a different tool. I used this one called magichour.ai. I used the face swap feature. This one was the one that actually worked better for me. And you can see this is the original one. I uploaded this, I uploaded the face, and then it gave me this. So you can see it's actually taken her face and it's put our model's face onto it. And if I show you the video, you'll see it's actually pretty good. You can't really tell. Like, it's pretty good if you ask me. If you were to really look in and examine it, you would be able to see that it looks a bit strange, but it's most people aren't going to look into it. Most people aren't even thinking about it, so it should be perfectly fine. But you can see here, it looks good. There is a watermark at the bottom, but that's fine. Yeah, but just make sure that the face is overlaid properly. Make sure it doesn't bug out too much. If you're finding it does bug out a lot, then you might have to go ahead and get a new original video, because it's likely the model's turning around too much, that kind of thing. But what you want to do from here is go ahead and download this video. So once we've downloaded the video, we need to go ahead and start generating the script for our model to speak. So basically the ad copy or the ad text that they're going to be saying. To generate it, it's going to be, you're just going to need to use a general sort of ad format. So you want to have like a hook, you want to have some interest or desire or some kind of problem. You want to agitate the problem, you want to solve it. So there's a general formula that you can follow to creating a good ad script. That is in the free course down below with the free store, so you can go ahead and claim that. But yeah, go ahead, generate your script. I generated a very quick script, just like a little hook for the video, just to show you how it worked. And essentially I put, my kid is always falling over and hitting his head. So this is going to be the hook and it will resonate with the audience. So I was looking for a way to stop that. Then I saw this product on TikTok and OMG, it's a game changer. So here, this is the problem and we've already given the solution in here. And just look how it protects his head from falling. So this would be a good sort of intro to a video, hook, problem, agitate, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so at this point you want to go ahead and generate the audio for your UGC. Now I'm using 11 Labs. 11 Labs is very good. And what you want to do, go to voices, and you want to find a voice that matches your avatar. So I have picked this one here. It's called Heather Ray. It's just a middle-aged woman full of life and adventure. She's the cool mum. But you can just type in like mum. They have so many different ones to choose from. So you can just go ahead and type in mum and find a voice that sounds good. So once you've done that, you can put the text into here and you're going to press generate speech, and that's going to go ahead and then generate the speech for that. It's pretty good, and you can regenerate a few times, maybe test a few different voices to see which one's the best. And then once you've generated that, we can go on to the next step. So the next step is we need to lip sync the voice to the video that we've got. And for this, we're going to be using something called Sieve Data. And we're going to use their lip sync function. So you just sign up for it here. You sign up for an account, whatever. You can use your Google, etc. And you go ahead and you first of all paste in the video. So this is going to be the video that we just generated with the woman's face on it. So go ahead and drag that in. So for me, that is this one here. And I just want to go ahead and drag it in here like that. It's going to take a second and it's going to load the video up. Should go there. And now I want to go ahead, I'm just going to delete the audio here because it will take the audio from this. And this is where we drag in the audio that we've just generated from 11 Labs. So go ahead, drag that in here. leave it to load, and then you can just leave all of these settings as is, and you can go ahead and press submit, and that's going to go ahead and start generating your video. You'll see it goes through all the process here. It takes, maybe 3 minutes to do. And once you've done that, you're going to be given the final video or the final UGC, which will look something like this. So we've got the video here. It does have a watermark at the bottom, and it needs to be edited a bit more. So you can hear that also the audio doesn't sound great. It sounds like it's AI generated. So I'm going to do a bit of editing to make it sound better. So what I've done is I've opened up Premiere Pro. You can use whatever editing software you like, and I've brought in, first of all, the video of the mum, the UGC that we've created. I just cropped it so you can't see the watermark at the bottom, and I put that in here. Now alongside that, I also added a track which is just car noises, just so it sounds a bit muffled, like it would sound, so it sounds natural essentially. So that's sort of the car sound. And then I have also added some background music, again, just so that it blends in a bit better. You can add some trending TikTok sounds at the time, whatever. And then alongside that, we'll have obviously the audio from the UGC. So from here, we're going to want to mix this in or incorporate this well with videos of the product. So you can see we're selling this baby head protector, and I just went onto TikTok and I just found a clip of the product in use, and we're just going to incorporate this and edit these together. So the way that I did this was I put this first bit here where she says, "My baby's always hitting his head." And then I switched to the product here and her sort of talking about it in the bottom right corner. And obviously you'd want to then edit all together, make it 30 seconds to 1 minute long to truly sort of get the UGC that you're looking for. From here we can go ahead and we can export it, and we've basically made one UGC video completely from scratch, all AI generated, and this is stuff that's going to convert really well if you do it properly and spend time on it. Now I quickly kind of brushed through it all, but you can really spend a lot of time finding the perfect initial video to overlay the face onto. You can make a good face, you can spend a lot of time on the script, the audio, all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now, as I said down below, I have left a link to the completely custom free store. The way that it works is we've partnered by Shopify, or we're partnered with Shopify, and they are paying us to basically onboard you guys to Shopify. To do this, we are building you completely free custom built Shopify stores by the exact same team that builds our stores, so you can go ahead and test the products and scale them. Now, you probably don't know how to actually test and scale products, so as a bonus we've given you a completely free course which outlines all of that information, all the way from finding a product, testing it, scaling it, and any problems you might face along the way. And as I said, it's completely free. The only way we can do it is because we are partnered with Shopify, which is why we're able to offer such great value. There's no upsells and it's great value, so go ahead, claim your free store today, and yeah, get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.